Hello, a tutorial video on how to fit the Oberon adjustable mirror. Nice change to the bike to really slicken up the handlebars and to get rid of the bulky R9T mirrors. Start off with removing the large T55 Torx bolt out the end of the handlebars. These bolts are Loctited in, so you will feel some resistance on the way out. To replace the M12 bolt that we've removed, Oberon supply an M12 to M6 adapter. That is a 6mm Allen key, straight in to the bar end. Screw it in by hand as far as you can until it stops. And then we recommend a torque setting of 12 Newton meters. So once that is in place, we have the 5mm Allen key bolt, which goes through clevis mount there. That goes straight in to the end of the handlebars. Once this is tight, only go hand tight because you don't want to over tighten it and have the bolt facing the wrong way. Make sure that you rotate it anti-clockwise because otherwise the bolt will tighten up. You then have the captive nut or the recess for the captive nut in the back here. Tighten it up so that is parallel with the bike. Once that's hand tight and you're happy with the position of the bolt, bearing in mind this would also dictate how upright the mirror will be. I like to align the mirror in line with the angle of the hazard light switch. Once you're happy with the alignment of the end of the mirror stalk with the mirror stalk mount with the hazard light switch, that is also torqued up to 12 Newton meters. Oberon supply some brass washers which sit inside the clevis mount and in between the mirror mount. Make sure you don't forget, make sure you remember to fit them, otherwise you're going to have problems rotating the mirror. Sandwich them in together like so, and then have the 4mm Allen key ready. Much like the fitting of the clevis joint, have this hand tight, sit on the bike, check the position, adjust accordingly, and then tighten up when you're happy. Because of the size of the bolt, we don't suggest a torque setting for this. Just tighten it to the torque that you're happy with. Remember not to over tighten it. It is a 4mm Allen key. Too much torque will strip the nut. Now that that's in place, just give it a quick security check. Once again, double check your position. There is a ball joint in here to adjust the position once you're on the bike. If there's any large changes needed to be made, it can be done removing this and changing the adjustment of the Allen key that goes into the M12 adapter. Bearing in mind, if there's any movement back and forth on this, it will loosen the bolt inside there, so this will have to be removed to re-torque that. However, if you put it in line with the original mirror stalk or the hazard light switch, you'll find that you're going to near enough be in the ballpark to be in the right position. So that is the Oberon adjustable mirror, all fitted. Please see our other video done by Rory for the other Oberon mirror. There is also another video on our YouTube playlist for the mirror stalk replacement. We can have the mirror deletes fitted on there, really smarten up the handlebars to get rid of this horrible stalk. A nice little tip, trick from us. Hope that's been informative. See you on the next one.